How to switch SIM cards on your T-Mobile phone. Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to switch SIM cards on your T-Mobile phone quickly and safely. I'll walk you through how to switch it properly so your phone works with T-Mobile again. Follow these steps to get it working again. Step 1. Power off your phone. Start by turning off your phone completely. This prevents any damage to the SIM card or phone while swapping. Step 2. Remove the SIM card tray. Locate your SIM tray, usually on the side of your phone. Use the SIM eject tool or a small paper clip to gently push into the small hole and pop out the tray. Step 3. Remove the old SIM card. Take out the current SIM card carefully. Make sure not to touch the gold contacts as dirt or oil can interfere with service. Step 4. Insert the new T-Mobile SIM card. Place your new T-Mobile SIM card into the tray in the correct orientation. Push the tray back into the phone gently until it clicks into place. Step 5. Power on and activate. Turn your phone back on. If the SIM is new, follow T-Mobile's instructions to activate it either through the app, website, or by calling customer service. If your phone doesn't recognize the SIM immediately, remove it and reinsert carefully. Sometimes it needs a second try. Step 6. Test your service. Make a call, send a text, or check mobile data to ensure your T-Mobile SIM is working properly. And that's it. Your T-Mobile SIM card should now be switched and fully working. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick mobile tips.